In this video, we are going to see how to change the login password in SANnav management portal. So first, let's log in. Once you log in, at the top right corner, you have a user icon. Click on that. Click on user preference. You will get an option called logging in. Next to that, there's an edit option. Click on that. And here comes the password changing option. Click on change. So enter your old password. Here you can enter the password which you're going to change to. Once you click OK, it will show you that the password is successfully changed and it will also log you out immediately. So now let's try using the new password. Now I'm entering my new password, which I just changed to. So I was able to successfully log into the SANnav portal using my new password. So this is how we change the login password for SANnav portal. Thank you for watching.